Did you explain that you took a reduction because you were anxious to get back to the bosom of your loving woman?
We're in Ohio, right?
You gonna save on that air conditioning?
Yeah.
Here's the question. Are you gonna be here when I get back?
Maybe, maybe not.
That's what I'm thinking.
Goes on the other side and hard to figure out. Come on, woman. Asshole. Ow. Well, a few things in here. You better fold them.
Do what?
You better get them folded. Hopefully he can get through there. Got one of them, get the other one.
What is this? Is that a moving strap?
Be a toe strap for sure.
You want the cord off of this, don't you?
Are you closing the other one or not?
I couldn't get the other one closed.
New.
I thought it might have something to do with that, but I sure couldn't figure it out. Oh, did it close a little bit that way? What were they saying?
All right, we're going to the scrapyard. I'm not supposed to film in here, so I need all y'all to close your eyes right now. Because you're not supposed to see the inner workings of this beast.
You can't see me. You can't see me.
You know, and there's always some Richard that's right in the middle of the damn road. I mean, right in the middle of the road. And thought that was a good idea. I don't know, I might be able to sneak around on this side. Well, maybe he's just Richard-esque, or Richard Light. Good news is, there's only one person in the drive-thru, and I don't even know, I don't know half people here anymore. It's been a long time since I've been to this one. But I probably should shut it off about now.
Probably pull up to one of these.
I mean, they're all looking in the water for something. Get a picture of the fire truck. All the cops sitting there with their hands on their hips.
White here, and then there's a couple other people in white.
So apparently, underneath that tent, according to Westchester Police, is a small child laying by the water's edge, deceased. Don't know why, but I'm sure it'll be on the news at some point. Kind of puts a damper on scrapping. This is the apartment complex where I picked up those AC units the other day. Alright, do my suicide weigh and pay. Compressor is 102 pounds at 14 cents a pound, which is absolutely ridiculous. I get more than that in Lexington. $14.28. 14 pounds of number 2 copper at $2.50 a pound. Sucks. For $35. 42 pounds of the ACRs, $1.10 a pound for $48.20. And 520 pounds of unclean sheet at $1.40 a net ton. Paid $38.40 for a grand total of $131.88. So whoever y'all picked $131.88, you're the winner of the grand prize of the speedboat, the truck, the house, and the mortgage. Anyway, I was hoping for $150, and I think if I'd have went to Lexington with that load, I'd have probably hit that. They just pay better. I mean, $131 on one truckload ain't bad. But gotta squeeze every bit you can get out of it, man. Just gotta squeeze every bit. And I was fortunate to get those AC units. That's what got me there. Because if without the non-ferrous stuff, just this load, $36. That covers the gas and maybe buys me lunch.
Asshole.